Do you sometimes feel stuck because there are issues with perfect placement of your surgical guide? You're still struggling in determining the perfect emergence profile of abutment, or the implant planning software you use is too tricky and you're still struggling to understand the UI. Because of this, you're not able to build your confidence in treatment planning, right? Maybe there's too much flap while sitting the surgical guide. Or maybe you're not able to reduce the rates of surgical failure. Or maybe there are too many issues with guided surgery to count, right? But what if you could plan all your implant surgeries with clinical precision and without failure? You would never have to face inaccurate osteotomy ever. You could have accurate implant angulation and drill depth every single time. You won't have to slog hours and hours in your practice. At i3DC, we have the perfect modules to help you plan your full arch cases with precision. Our one-on-one training on guided surgery are designed in such a way that all your queries can be completely taken care of. We have our entire program split into 5 to 7 sessions of 2 hours each to ensure that you don't get overwhelmed with the knowledge at one go. For more details, leave us an inquiry.